Hey guys, James from Little Big Productions. Here to do a Samsung Q10 review. Okay, well, let's start it off. Right here, get your hand grip. It's adjustable. Right here, we have your tripod inputs and SD input. That's where you put your SD card, gigabytes. Basically, your memory card, if you guys don't know what that means. Okay, right here is your record button and your zoom. 20 times optical zoom. Right here, you have your charger input. Hold up. There you go. That's where you put your charger. It connects right into the wall and just charges your battery from there. Perfect. It turns on exactly when you turns on right when you flip it open. Shoots 1080p videos. Simple. It's compact. Has everything it needs. It's touchscreen. Right there, you have your video settings. You have your edge recording settings. An option to record, shoot photos, zoom in, and play any video you need. Right here is the menu. Sorry, this is kind of hard doing it with one hand. Okay, let me try to do my best. And then that's your album right there. Settings, manual, smart audio, and art film. I want to take your art film. And right here is the white and black balance. Right now you have special effects off. It's black and white. Everything's recorded in black and white. And we got sepia. I think that's how it was pronounced. It's all orangey. Pretty cool effect. We have dazzle, I think. No, negative. Negative. Takes the color from everything. It's cool as hell. Really cool. In fact, it's cooler when that's a black screen right there, and that's all white. That's cool. It's cooler when it's in person, but you can't really show its full potential on camera. Now we have art, which everything's like cartoony. Pretty cool. We have Nor, which just dims everything, doesn't do much. And I think this is the last one right here. No, Western. Everything looks like a Western movie. You can't really see that, but it's kind of old-timey. Dazzle. Everything's more fruity. All the colors are more fruity. Pretty badass. And then last but not least, Ghost. Ghost makes everything kind of like, it's like a video trace. See my hat right there? Pretty cool. Well, that is the end of my video. That's what the camera looks like. 20 optical zoom, Schneider. Alright. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. Like, rate, and subscribe, and comment. Alright. This is James from Little Big Productions signing off.